I'm talking about three different topics. First one is the digital transformation, and what are the challenges that the digital transformation is actually giving for companies and how to deal with those. Second one is brand building, how to build brands in the more and more digital world, what kind of things to consider when building brands and so on. And then the third topic is the link between marketing and the business. So how marketing and sales are cooperating and how to build marketing that really affects the actual business. The message that I have for the marketers is that think what are you doing with your marketing efforts that really affects to the business. So forget all these kind of buzzwords that we have around marketing and think what are you bringing to company's table.